BUN is more and more popular around the world. It's made with rice noodles, vegetables, marinated and stir-fried beef. We add some Nuoc Cham dipping sauce. To make it more generous, we add crispy spring rolls. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by cooking 350 grams of rice noodles in boiling water over medium heat for 5 minutes. Drain them. Rinse them in cold water. Drain them again. Cover them with a towel and let them sit for 1 hour to get a good texture. Now marinate the meat. Cut 500 grams of beef into thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Remove both ends of the lemongrass stems. Crush them to release their flavor. Slice them finely. Put them with the beef. Chop 3 garlic cloves. Add them too. Cut 1 onion into chunks. Put them in the bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix. And let rest while preparing the vegetables. Grate the carrot. Cut the salad leaves, the cucumber, the spring onion, the mint, the Thai basil, the cilantro, the Vietnamese cilantro, and the Chinese long cilantro. Add the bean sprouts. Mix. Crush 50 grams of roasted peanuts. Mince 100 grams of shallots. Put 1/4 cup of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the shallots. Stir from time to time. When they start to color, turn on low heat and regularly stir. When they are golden, drain them. This frying lasted 8 minutes. For Nuoc Cham dipping sauce, you can watch my video to learn how to make it. Put wooden chopsticks in frying oil. If some bubbles appear, it means that the oil is hot. Fry the spring rolls for 5 minutes. Flip them from time to time. Take them out and let them drain on the rack. To stir-fry the marinated beef, put the oil from the fried shallots into a pan over high heat. When it's hot, put the pieces of marinated beef. Spread them out. Let them grill for 1 minute. Flip them over. Let them for another 1 minute. And briefly stir and cut the fire. Pour them into a bowl to stop the cooking and keep the meat tender. Prepare the bowl for each guest. Put in a portion of rice noodles. In the BUN, we heat them at room temperature. If you prefer them lukewarm, you can reheat them for a few seconds in the microwave. Add some vegetables. Stir-fry beef. Cut soft crispy spring rolls. One tablespoon of fried shallots. 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. You can add 1 teaspoon of chili paste if you like it. Adding Nuoc Cham dipping sauce is essential, about 1/4 cup in each bowl. Mix before entering. Bon appétit! The BUN is a bowl of freshness, where all the flavors mingle: the lemongrass, the herbs, the fried shallots, the grilled beef, and the Nuoc Cham dipping sauce. It offers a richness of textures. The vegetables and the roasted peanuts are crunchy. The spring rolls and the shallots are crispy. The beef is melting. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.